are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today I'm bringing you this beautiful DIY zipper planner pen pouch. It's versatile, so it can be used for so many different things. This is how it looks. And inside of here, I store cell phone, notebook in there as well. And it easily slides out. This is what we're gonna make today. Let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. The materials that you will need for this project is you're gonna need interfacing for all 4 of these. Once you finish getting your interfacing on fabric, go ahead and put these 2 aside and work on these 2 here, okay? I'm gonna take this one here and then these are gonna be 2 pockets. Take this one here and we're gonna fold this in half and we're gonna just press down on that. We're gonna do the same thing for the other one. We're gonna go to machine and we're gonna sew right at the top here and up here. You should now have the 2 top parts sewn. We're gonna need the other fabric. Then we're gonna be positioning this on top of here. I'm gonna fold this in half just to find the center. I'm gonna place this on top of here, pin this in place. You're gonna sew right down that center that we just fold, okay? You should now have the center sewn. All right, and we're gonna take this other pocket and we're gonna place it on top of here. And we're gonna pin it in place. And you're gonna sew starting from the top pocket all the way down, across, and then come back up and then end at the top of the pocket. It should now look like this with your pocket here and with 2 pockets at the top. Let's put that aside and let's get our other fabric, and then we're gonna get our elastic band. Lay this on top of here and in the center. So fold this in half and I mark it. Fold this in half too and just put a mark. Okay, and then we're gonna place it right on those marks. Then we're gonna go to the machine and we're gonna sew top here and the bottom here. Now you should have your elastic band sewn on there. Go ahead and get our front pocket. Then we're gonna get our zipper as well. Take our zipper and the right side of the zipper is gonna face the right side of the front of the fabric. And you're gonna flip that over and pin that down. You're gonna take your inner fabric, which is your lining, and then you're gonna place that on top of there, and that on top of the zipper as well. The machine, and you're gonna sew all the way down using your zipper foot. Alright, you should now have your zipper sewn into place. And then we're gonna flip this over and make sure these are all evened out. You're gonna sew all the way down in this section here. Okay, you should now have your zipper sewn. It's part sewn down. You're gonna take this and we're just gonna flip this over on this side and lay that on top of there. We're gonna pin that down. We're gonna take our other lining and then we're gonna place that on top of there, making sure everything is even out, and we're gonna pin that in place as well. We're gonna sew all the way across. Open this up. I'm gonna sew this other side as well. Okay, you should now have this side sewn as well. You're gonna take these two sides, connect them together, bring this over, and then line up. Do the same for the other side. We're gonna leave a gap right here, 10 centimeters. Then you're gonna sew all the way around, coming back down, and then stop at the other line. Then you're gonna leave a gap. Cut the corners. Go ahead and turn that inside out. All right, let's go ahead and sew this gap. That's sewn in there. I'm gonna tuck that in. And iron this out. But I'm gonna fill this up, and then after that, we are finished with our tutorial. All right, I fill this beauty up here. Cell phone. And I have my notebook as well. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna slide it. I like that it's so easy to slide in and out. I like a little room. I don't like it tight. It's perfect. I love it. Beautiful, worked out awesome. So yes, thank you all so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye my YouTubers.